Assalamualaikum. In this video I'm going to show you how can we use a dot matrix display with Arduino Nano. So this is MAX7219 dot matrix module. Here you will find 5 pins, that is VCC, GND, DIN, CS and CLK. Connect display modules pin with Arduino Nano. VCC for 5 volt, GND for GND and DIN for digital 11, CS for digital 10 and CLK for digital 13. So for this we need 2 libraries. So now let's get in computer. So now I need MAX7219 dot matrix displays library. So I'm getting in Arduino IDE. Under sketch we will get include library and manage libraries. A new window has appeared. Now type here MAX7219XX and search it. You see few library has come here. From here I need this one, so install it. And we need two libraries over here, that is MD MAX72XX, this one, and rest is this MD Parola. Install this MD Parola. Here I have connected Arduino Nano with my computer, and over here examples and AMD Parola scrolling. This is a code, and we have to change something here, like hardware type. So just type here FC16 score HW, and as my display blocks are 4, so I'm giving here 4. And for the text, this is scrolling this speed. We can change the speed over here, and we can type here a message or text we want to display. Let's say I'm typing here and now going to upload it. Done uploading. You see the upload is done, and this is the text, but it is scrolling too much fast. Let's change it. Done uploading. You see now the text are more slow. So this was all in my short video. Take care everybody. Allah Hafiz.